four-wheelers. They've been doing it for, I think it's over 50 years now. So we're always a sponsor of that event. Really a lot of fun. We love going to that one. We're going to take the dub jig in and hopefully keep the dub jig working and keep the tires down and the roof flat. So wish us luck. Okay, so we're at Dresser. We're going to hit our first trail. We're on White right now. Our first obstacle is Doggone. We got 3 dub jays and a Mercedes on this trail ride. So should be a hell of a lot of fun. So we'll see you guys out here on the trail. John, what's going on?
Flat tire.
It was only flat on the bottom.
It's just not brakes.
Couple minutes and you'll be back on the trail. Give her the onion.
Boy. Let her eat. No need to go slow. Come on, put on a show. Hey John, what do you think of that? Is that a good spot to try? Of course.
It's like instant replay. Whoa!
I'm not sure what's going on. Guys, we had an awesome time at the Minnesota Go Four Wheelers dresser event. We went and did a couple trail rides, got Jeeps all dirty, got them all cleaned up now, but we had a ton of fun. We went and watched the Yellow Rock race. That was so cool. Some big buggies out there doing some really cool stuff. So really neat thing. Had a lot of stuff going on up the hill. They had monster trucks, they had buggy races, they had tough trucks, cars jumping off of cliffs. So yeah, it was really cool stuff. We had a ton of fun, always do. Happy to go back, and we'll see you guys there again next year.